Hey guys, Jay77 here doing an update on a recent story that has happened a few months ago. Um, some turning events has happened that got me pretty much concerned, as well as shaking my head as to the level of punishment the Egyptian government has laid down as regards the innocence of Muslims. Now, this was a low budget film that was seen as an attack towards the Muslim belief. A lot of people rioted. It caused a whole bunch of incident. The person who was said to be responsible has even been brought to court over probation violations. But that's nothing compared to the people who have been convicted. According to lots of reports, including the one I'm looking at as we speak, um, a pastor has been sentenced. 8 people has been sentenced to death over this proper film. It basically said the Egyptians were uh, convicted them on Wednesday, and the Florida-based American pastor sentenced them to death on charges linked to the anti-Muslims film that had sparked a riot in parts of the Muslim world. The reports also go the connection of the film in order to five sentenced by the court was not immediately clear. The incident two who worked with the people in that radical corporate group in the U.S. that called for an independent corporate state. A a priest who hosted the TV program from the U.S. and a lawyer living in Canada who has previously sued the Egyptian state over riots in 2000 that left 21 Christians dead. In a phone interview, one of them sentenced one of the men sentenced who worked with the people in charge of the film has said he has nothing to do with the film and hasn't even seen it. There are further stuff that's going down. I'll leave the link below so you guys can check it out yourself. But yeah, this is the retaliation that that the Egyptian government is pulling to, and I don't think this is a wise move. Again, the film, I didn't see the film. I seen little bits of the film, but I didn't see the full fledged of the film. To me, it was a complete waste of time. It was low budget. Was it offensive? Yeah, and I have no time to look at garbage that is deemed offensive. But how they handle it, really question, is it the film they're mad about, or there's something more that we're not aware of? This is the film. You're putting 6 people to death is not going to solve anything. It's just really not. There's a whole lot from both sides that needs to come to terms with that matter, and there's a lot of radicalism from both sides that spark this hate, and all this is going to even spark even more. But that's just my opinion on that matter. If you guys will feel otherwise, I'll leave a link below so you guys can check it out yourself. But to me, I don't think this is a wise move at all. I think this is it's going to have the opposite effect. I know they're trying to send a message out to those people who are responsible for a riot that caused deaths of people in their country, but this is not. Trust me, I don't think this is going to the way to handle it, especially if the people did not had anything to do with what some clowns in the states have did. So that's just my opinion on the matter. I'll leave it the link below. You guys can check it out yourself. But until then, this is Jay77 saying take care, be safe. Talk to you soon.